Yeah, so we came here as a working brigade. We are from several countries, internationalists that were invited to visit Rojava, and we first came to Bashur and then wanted to cross the border at the Pashabur crossing, but the border guards stopped us because the KDP is collaborating with Turkey to fulfill an embargo of Rojava. We were just part of the demonstration on Saturday, which was one of the demonstrations of the Global Action Day under the slogan Defend Kurdistan, and it was here in ʻŌľmانیە, and a really good demonstration, but then the police guards started to use tear gas and that stuff, and they divided the people and stopped the whole demonstration violently. While the whole journey, we were doing a lot of press work and contacted different media in several countries in Europe, and told them the story about our journey and about how we were stopped at the border, and also wrote a press release about the demonstration, for example. And I think when we will come back, we will bring it back to our structures, to our political structures in Germany, for example, and we will then have discussions with our friends and tell them about the invasion and stuff, and also will organize more demonstrations there, of course, too. Right now it's hard to organize more things because of the political situation. We also met some friends. I think we will just try to meet more friends, but we will see if that happens, and maybe learn some more about the region also, like about the Anfal Museum or Halabja, something like that, to also know more about the region and the history.